Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens in-store video for the week of January the 5th to the 11th. We have a lot of great deals, some freebies, a lot of cheapies. The booster for me this week was to spend, I think, $45 to get back $10. A little bit too much for this girl's budget. So what we're going to do is smaller deals in this video. If you can do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me if you could take a second and like the video. It helps the channel out, the video out, so it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. If you could just take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. For all the new shoppers out there, I released a video yesterday morning on the 5 steps on how to get into extreme couponing. It's a basic guide on how to have a lot of success with a hobby that might seem a bit intimidating at the beginning, and we've all been there. I'll link this video at the very end for all the new shoppers. Last wave of Christmas clearance will be taking place tomorrow morning, which is Sunday, January the 6th. It'll be 80% off. So, after the week of clearancing this merchandise out, it will get boxed up and sent somewhere else off for auction or whatever Walgreens wants to do with it. But it's going to be a week at that price point, whatever your store has left, sold at 80% off. Okay, the first item that we have is this, it's a heartburn reliever, and it's 90% off at $2.89, so an expensive product. IBOTTA has $6 back. I don't have a digital coupon for this product, so just grabbing one of these for $2.89, roll $2 of Walgreens cash into this and pay the 89 cents. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $6 back. It makes this a free item and a $3.11 moneymaker. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for it, but a little $3.11 moneymaker, that's really nice. Look through all the supplements your store might have on clearance. There's a lot with IBOTTA that you can look for. Also, this Aveeno, it is a little makeup removing wipes, 25 counter. It was on clearance for $3.29. We have a $2 digital coupon, so it makes it $1.29. So if you look at that first one, that was a moneymaker, factoring it in with this, I basically got both items for free, so that is pretty awesome. The Garnier Fructis and Whole Blends are both on the same promotion this week. If you wish to do both the deals, by all means you can go for it, but you have to do them in 2 separate transactions so the register rewards will print. The promotion is to buy 2 to get back a $3 register reward. A register reward will only print once per transaction, so that is a little bit of info for you. And you're going to load the following digitals. That is a 3 off a 2 for the Fructis and a 3 off a 2 for the Whole Blends. The last couple times they've done this promotion, they haven't offered the 2 separate coupons, so if you really want to stock up on shampoo, this is the one for you. So here it is, guys. Grabbing 2 of the Fructis for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And let's not forget, if you're going to do the Fructis and the Whole Blends, 2 separate transactions to get the 2 $3 register rewards. Please remember that, guys. Very important detail. Now, with the Suave, I went with the hairspray because I thought this was the best deal of the week. It is to buy 2 of these and get back a $1 register reward. But on the hairspray, we have $1 off of each. So it's kind of great, and we don't really get a lot of deals on hairspray. So just to give you visuals, this is what it looks like. So make sure you have both of them loaded. And the promotion for this is to buy 2, get back a $1 register reward, and it's on a promotion of buy 1, get 1 50% off. So grabbing 2 of these ladies hairsprays, it's $6.73, pardon me. Subtracting the $2 coupons, that's $2 melting off. You'll pay $4.73 out of pocket. Get back a $1 register reward, making it $3.73 for the 2 or $1.86 per hairspray. And again, we don't get a lot of deals on hairspray anymore, so this is a pretty good one. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I will let you know, even though 2 digital coupons are attaching, only 1 came off for me. So I'm going to have to call customer service in a bit for a $1 missing coupon. And here is the register reward that printed. Again, These are very large cans and we don't get really great deals on hairspray, so I was excited for this one. The Degree is buy one, get one 50% off, and these are very sizable bars of deodorant. We have this coupon, which is a 4 off a 2, so make sure you have it loaded for this deal. Very straightforward deal. Two of these Degree deodorants are $7.48. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $3.48 out of pocket, dropping them down to $1.70 for each. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Arm & Hammer is 4 for $10, but in the store it was goofily tagged as a buy two, get two for free. But if you scan it in the app or scan it at the front of the store, they're, 4 for $10. So I don't know what this tag is all about. We have a 2 off of 4 digital coupon, so make sure you have that guy loaded for the maximum savings. Grabbing 4 of these detergents, it's $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $8 for the 4 or $2 per Arm & Hammer, which is a very good price point. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. This is just a stock up price for either the liquid or the pods. And yeah, especially if you're a newer couponer looking to build your stockpile, I would definitely do this deal. Now, this is the final week to do this deal to get the Magic Erasers cheap or the Dawn Power Wash at Walgreens. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a Magic Eraser coupon to show you guys, but it's a $2 off the Magic Eraser and then a $2 off of the Dawn Power Wash spray. So make sure you have both of them loaded. This is a very straightforward deal. Grabbing a power wash for $4.99 and a magic eraser for $3.29. It's $8.28. Subtracting the two $2 digitals, you're paying $4.28 for the two. I would use $4 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, or a register reward perhaps from Garnier to get that out of pocket a lot less. And we're doing this deal with no booster, so yes, we can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. For that Dawn Power Wash, that coupon maybe appears twice a year, so I would stock up if that's something you use in your household. It's rare to see a $2 coupon on that product. Okay, now the Dove for $8, and these are the deodorants. They're on a promotion to buy 2 of them to get a $2 register reward. And we have this goofy 6 off a 2 digital coupon. I could only get it to attach to the deodorant. It would not attach to the body wash. So that sucked because the body wash was $7. So I don't know what's wrong. And it's on a weird time ticker as well that it's only valid for 3 days. So if you were going to go shopping later in the week, triple scan that to make sure it's still around. So grabbing 2 of these deodorants at $8, that's $16. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $10. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per deodorant. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I would also check Fetch Rewards. Is there perhaps a little rebate for this specific product? Yes or no. Definitely worth checking that out because sometimes there's, extra little things for you. But I could not get this to attach to the body wash, so it was really strange. Colgate toothpaste is $4, $3 register reward when you buy 2. And this morning we got some really nice coupons, which were 4 off of 2s that you have to load. So you can either do it with the toothbrushes and the mouth rinse or the toothpaste, whichever one you want to pick up. And then again, these digital coupons just appeared this morning and I was able to load both, which were a 4 off a 2 for the paste or the the mouth rinses and the toothbrushes. But grabbing 2 of the paste, for example, for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And if you were going to do like the toothbrushes and the paste, you have to do it in 2 separate transactions because it's on the same promotion. And what will happen at Walgreens is the register reward will only print once per transaction, even if you did the deal twice. So let's not forget that. So there is no trauma at the store. Another deal that I absolutely love this week is the buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens freezer bags. There's the sandwich, there's the snack ones, there's these larger ones that are like, the larger freezer bags. At $2.79 divided by 3, it shakes it out to 93 cents per box of 20. This is cheaper than Dollar Tree and a fantastic bag comparable to Ziploc in my book. Before I take off into the big sunset, I wanted to share this in case you missed this video I posted yesterday a little later in the day. I found these dishwasher packs at the Dollar General, found in the dollar spot, and they're identical to Cascade. I did some dishes twice now, and it's a very similar look and finish to Cascade. If you were trying to track these down at Dollar Tree last fall and you couldn't find them, they are now at Dollar General. You might want to watch the video linked right here for UPC to see what's in stock in your neighborhood. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.